Former Reds player has opened a card shop in northern Kentucky.
J.J. Hoover is planning a special grand opening for Hooves Hangout right after Reds opening day. And only WLWT News 5's Rachel Wayland got a tour of the shop today.
At most card shops, you can't buy a card of the owner of the place, but that's the special kind of experience you can get here at Hooves Hangout.
It was just such a great place to play.
Of all the spots former pitcher J.J. Hoover could have landed, he chose to come back to the place he got his red legs.
The fans were amazing. We had such a good team, 2012, 2013 going to the playoffs, and just the community. That's really it.
Now JJ's hoping to develop his own community here in Alexandria. Hooves Hangout, located right across from Campbell County Middle School, is a place where fans can buy, sell, and trade cards.
This is probably one of the best cards we've pulled on our stream. This is a Jaden Daniels and Caleb Williams 1-of-1 dual autograph card.
While literally hanging out with JJ.
Having fans come in, talk about baseball stories, my experiences in the big leagues. I will probably develop in the next couple years as a mentorship program off of this.
And if sports aren't your thing, JJ also sells trading card games like Pokemon, Larkana, and even Bo Jackson's Battle Arena.
And that allows people to, I think, feel welcome in this environment. And because I can willingly admit that I'm a Pokemon fan, I think that also breaks down that barrier.
So whether it's baseball, UFC, or video game characters, JJ believes there's magic behind this cardboard.
What was that like when you got your first card made of you?
That was a dream come true. I've never really thought that was gonna happen, and then, I'm sitting there signing however 3,000 cards in a day. That was a blast. That's a memory I'll cherish forever.
The shop's grand opening is Friday from 3 to 10 o'clock. There will be food trucks, giveaways, raffles, and everyone is welcome. I'm reporting in Alexandria. Rachel Wayland, WLWT News 5.